Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluorescents Studio Gallery with, I believe, a 8x8. I think it's an 8x8. Already pre-primed with Meeden Black. I'm going to put down some Chantilly lace. And some, that's a Prizm pour. This is Periwinkle, a vivid intense. Some Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. Got a little dancing fuchsia, and hopefully one of my rubber brushes is still available. Get the water off. Hopefully my black cell activator, yes, it's right there. I think I'm going to use some more Chantilly lace. Which I'm hoping doesn't disappear completely. I think I'm going to go for a little dancing fuchsia. Knock any extra paint off I have to get rid of. Grab any and all paint. And think about what I might want to do. I'm kind of tempted by the idea of a straw. But I'm also being called to some orange. Not sure what to do about that. I guess I am. Not sure I like that at all. So what will I do? Add some marks and hope that it makes a difference. I want some more dancing fuchsia. Tempted by some alizarin rose too, but I don't think it'll show up in the black very well. want to try it anyway. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixes, including the Decoart Americana 24 karat gold, so that should be no problem. I got rid of most of that excess orange, and I think that the periwinkle looks like it wants to swallow the black. Do I have a skewer handy? Can't wait to see what the Chantilly lace does. I'm pretty sure it's going to dry mostly clear. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linktree, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link, Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. I'll do something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genre. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.